Network Entertainment.
Hello! Welcome
Hello.
to Walang Edit. And we have a very special guest. Before we talk it out, gusto ko lang sabihin na for my entire stay in high school, every day, actually hindi every day, Monday to Thursday, going home,
Yan.
boses nito yung naririnig ko sa traffic, from Pasig to Mandaluyong, whatever, boses yung naririnig ko. So, one of the main hosts of the legendary show, Boys Night Out.
Yeah.
One of the hosts of Lecheng Pag-ibig to. And probably one of, if not the best, wedding hosts in the Philippines. None other than Master Shivaker, Sam YG!
Yeah, boy! Yeah, man!
It's an honor.
Judd,
It's an honor.
well, thank you so much for having me.
Thank you for
Kamusta,
gracing
Paps?
our pod.
Good. It's a new year, 2026.
Happy New Year.
I hope all our viewers, listeners are having a good year so far. Yeah, which, ang dami nangyari in 2025. But new beginnings. I don't believe in resolutions, pero...
Talaga?
Oo parang ano na lang. Sa akin, if you want to change something, pare, just do it.
Huwag mo na lang, huwag mo na i-announce.
Huwag mo na i-announce, huwag mo na hintay mag-Jan 1. Diba? So far, okay naman. The year's off to a busy start,
Right.
which is good. Pero, ayun, happy to be here with you
Busiest
guys.
man in the world, bro.
Hindi, gago, si Lena, nagpa-plan tayo nito last year pa.
Last year pa.
Last year pa namin pinaplan tong
Gusto
guesting na
ko
to.
sa Instagram.
Pero December gets a bit too
Oh
crazy.
yeah, that's like
Yeah. Actually, bad
all-star
timing din
game.
yung aya ko kasi Burman yata kita inaya.
Oo, tsaka
So,
December.
sobrang bad timing.
But happy to be here, man.
But thank you for
Thanks so
responding
much.
back.
Yeah.
Salamat.
So, eto sabi
So,
mo
tsaka para malaman nila, putya, dapat nalate ako ng konti, no? Inahamin ko yan. Tapos sina Gino tsaka Chico, susunod dapat.
Shout out
Gagamitin
Gino,
yung
Chico.
studio.
sila.
May mga only fun fans dyan, sorry, pero sabi ko, extend kami ng konti. Okay, back to you, Papi.
Yeah.
I wanted to ask, are we gonna go? How long are we gonna go?
I don't know.
Let's see what happens.
Why, you were gonna say something?
No, more of like I want to clarify. Are we gonna go 1 hour or
No.
keep it tight?
Ganito, Papi, pag kinatok tayo sa pinto,
Yun na
doon tayo magpack up.
That's how we know.
Diba? Putya, doon tayo, okay, tapos na to.
Keep it
Pero,
exciting.
Dude, I mean, I've been seeing you in a lot of your stories. I see you that you're hosting weddings. How is it in your perspective? Like weddings in the Philippines, I'm sure you have different cultures in your life. Doon rin kita nakilala. I mean, from the Shivaker, from the Indian references, from the Pinoy references, growing up as an Indian boy in an all-boys school.
True,
Natandaan ko pa yun.
true.
So when it comes to weddings, kamusta yung perspective as a host? I'm sure iba sa'yo.
Sa akin kasi, I started hosting weddings, oh my goodness, like 20 years ago.
Wow.
Mga
Dang.
19, 20 years ago.
Wait, so before Boys Night Out ka pa nag-host?
The first wedding I hosted was with Boys Night Out.
All
Oo.
three of you were
Tatlo kami.
the host. Wow.
Okay.
There was this one couple
Kulit.
na fan ng Boys Night Out radio show. Sabi, paano pagkuhanan natin tatlong gagon to? Para mag-host ng wedding namin. So kami parang, puche, we never hosted a wedding together. We don't know the rules. We hosted a lot of corporate gigs, but walang wedding. Sabi na, sige, tirahin natin. Tingnan natin ano mangyayari. Puche, sobrang gulo. Sobrang, why gulo in a good way?
Okay.
Gulo in a good way. So it was chaotic. Everybody was laughing.
Ano in-expect nila? Tatlo kayong Boys
wild,
Night Out.
wild. The crowd was also a fan of the radio
Right,
show.
right.
So it turned out to be such a good gig that night, I remember. And then, sunod-sunod na from there, kumalat na.
Nice.
Pare, kuhanin nyo yung Boys Night Out for your wedding. Kuhanin nyo yung Boys Night Out for your wedding. And soon enough, we were hosting weddings, left and right. And then, eventually, of course, we started not growing apart, no? Things got busy and, aminin natin, medyo tumaas yung rates. Inflation, pare. So, kung kuha ka ng tatlong host versus isang host, siyempre, mas mura sa isang host. So, naging medyo mahal na yung kumuha ng tatlo.
Yeah.
So, minsan dalawa kami kinukuha until eventually, I think, 2015, 2016 onwards, medyo ako na yung medyo marami ng...
Nag-Beyonce ka na.
medyo sumulo-solo na medyo marami.
Nick Jonas na siya.
How is it different being Bombay? I do, Indian Bombay, whatever. I do incorporate a lot of my Indian jokes to my spiels during the
Hosting.
weddings. I do also a little bit of stand-up comedy, if you will, to start the program, warm up the crowd. I think, and you guys would know this since you guys are both stand-ups, that your first 3 minutes will be the most crucial.
Yep.
No? Yan yung ano mo eh. Make or break. Either you get the audience, you get the attention of the crowd, or ang hirap na makuha yan down the
Yeah.
road.
I mean, to me nga, parang it's better that they hate you rather than not see you at all. Like, if they don't like your sense of humor, at least their attention is still
Correct.
Yeah, I want to listen
on
to
you.
hit on this guy.
Okay. I'm gonna hate this guy so much for the rest of the night. Compared to, whatever.
Oh
He's just
yeah,
a
I don't
host.
think of this guy.
Alam niyo ba, mas ano pa ako, mas awkward pa ako hosting weddings of people that I know.
Gets, yeah. Even performing for people we know, right? It's more awkward.
Alam mo kung bakit? Breakdown ka yan eh. Kasi
Bakit?
putya, yung barkada mo, kaya mag-host ka ng wedding ng barkada mo. Ini-expect nila parang, sige nga, patawanin mo.
Yeah.
Oo.
May ganun eh.
Magano? Gaganon yan. Sige
Oo,
nga,
mismo.
nakakatawa ka.
Mismo.
Sige.
Funny ka na ngayon.
Oo.
Kilala high school, putya, wala naman silang pakialam. Yan, so funny ka na ngayon. Binabayaran ka na para mag-host. Sige nga, they don't say it to your face that way. But sa itsura pala nila, sa mukha nila, nababasa mo na.
Oo.
Ito, ginajudge ako ng mga putang. Medyo, alam mo na eh, diba?
Tapos magbe-break ka ng cold sweat.
Oo.
Parang, bakit ako kinakabahan? Eh, kilala
Correct.
ko nga
kilala
kayo
ko
lahat.
yan eh.
Oo.
And the worst part is like if you do bad, knock on wood, parang they'll tell you about it.
Correct.
The next day you'll see them again.
Correct.
Unlike strangers, you never have to see them again.
Exactly. Medyo, okay. Hindi sila tawa. Okay lang, bukas. Hindi tayo magkikita.
Yeah.
May suggestions pa yan pag makakilala mo.
Oh my
Parang,
God. You,
dapat kasi ginawa mo to. eh. Parang, dude,
Pero bakit?
sino may experience sa atin? Di ba
Ay.
attorney ka?
Oo, yun.
diba, accountant ka from
Anong kinalaman mo
finance?
sa performance?
Hindi ba nakakatawa? Diba? Parang pag, magaling kumanta yan. Sample naman. Host ka naman. Mag-host ka naman. Sabi ko na mag-host ng ganyan. Pero hindi naman natin sasabihin sa mga attorney friends natin, pare, pasample naman ng kaso. Hindi naman, pare, gaganon ka ba? Sa accountant friend mo, pare, pasample naman ng logbook mo. Logbook mo naman ako.
Panotarize naman.
O, panotarize naman, sample.
Pa-draft naman, architect ka,
Oh,
di
diba?
ba? Oo, draft ka.
Kung ano, sample lang ba? Sample lang. Pang test ng skills mo.
This goes to show na parang they don't see it as a profession. They see it as, yes, entertainment, which, tama naman eh. Entertainment naman talaga. Somehow, performances, every kind of performance. Pero, the fact na you're not treating it as a profession, as a career, shows a lot when you tell that to that person na parang, sige nga, joke ko nga.
Yeah.
Sige nga. Ano?
Kanta ka nga.
Oo, kanta ka
Galing ka
nga.
kumanta, di ba, pare? Sample lang mo nga. Sample nga, sample.
Speaking of, like, I heard Sam when I listened to your other interview before, na you wanted to become a lawyer, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was that something na parang your parents wanted you to do, or you were known for that? Now, this guy's a serious guy. And
No,
then
dude, my parents just wanted me to be Bombay.
to be like proud and
Because they're both Bombay. So let's make another one. Diba? But being a lawyer, I remember I was just so interested in law. I just loved the
okay.
okay. Ito na lang, for lack of a better term, I loved how yung baluktot kaya nila diretsuhin at yung diretso kaya nila baluktutin. Which happens also with politics, of course.
It's power.
But that's what I loved about law.
It's like magic.
If you think about it, it also involves a lot of creativity.
Yes.
Diba? Ang lahat ng lawyer, feeling ko with all due respect, they are very creative people. Give them a scenario, 3 cup, 3 mug na nasa table, may isang nawalang mug, sino may kasalanan? Creative na yan, okay. Kasi feeling ko itong mug na to, inupakan tong mug na to, kaya natumba yung mug na yan. Diba? It's
I mean, to make it look like that.
oh,
let's find
it's
proof.
a lot of creative things and how you'd solve something. Maybe that's why I think. I'm just thinking out loud. Baka that's why na-interest ako sa law.
Basically because I think kasi, I mean, from a consumer's perspective naman, listening to you all these years, I think all my life I've listened to Boys Night Out.
Thank you.
Until
Man.
it, congratulations sa huge success. I don't think any radio, well, iba na din eh. Hindi na din
Iba na
radio
rin,
ngayon,
oo.
podcasting. But I don't think any show would top the creativity and the concept behind of what you guys did. So, to me, that was enlightening, especially during that time. Kasi
The peak.
peak siya eh. Like, radio supremacy yun eh.
Yeah.
Gising ka umaga. Sorry, sobrang Magic fan ko kasi.
Mo Twister, pare.
Gising ako umaga, papakinggan ko si Mo Twister.
Kano kahaba big bird ni Doc Hayden, di ba?
Oh.
Parang Port Forbidden.
Say stop. Alam mo yung imagination ko sa kid, nasa na yung kamay nila? Hindi ko nakikita. Stop. So parang, say stop, gaano kalaki yung edits nito, gaano kalaki yung at
Sino daw?
7 a.m. in the morning.
Pare, tinanong si Rosana Roses, sino pinakamagaling na sinex mo? Pare, si Ted Filon, sinabi po.
Sinabi
Di
niya.
ba? Isip mo, GMA reporter, ABS-CBN reporter, nung gabi yung lahat, iba tingin Ted. Pare, ikaw si Ted Filon? Utangin na, nag-newscast ako sa gabi, tapos biglang, lahat ng tao iba na tingin sa'yo, pare, sa bird na nakatingin ni Ted Pilot, di na sa mukha, di ba?
Yung cameraman daw, bumababa eh.
Babae.
Eyes up here.
Nagka-gravity yung camera po.
Pero grabe yun, like, sabi ko, paano pwede sa radyo to? So, how's the transition? Kasi, from being a radio DJ for 17 years?
17 for me.
17
19
for you.
years was the show after they packed it up.
Kasi nakausap ko rin si Tony nung nagpunta kami sa Magic. I think last year lang yun na we guested another comedy Manila stand-up comedian. We talked about comedy rin. So, I think yung sense of humor nyo sa radyo, natugulat yung mga tao pag naririnig nila yung that kind of sense of humor sa stand-up. And to me, parang, bakit kayo nagugulat? So, hindi pala universal experience masyado yung pagiging fan nung ganong show. Nagaguhan kayo eh. Like, kasi right now, Cool Pals, di ba?
Correct.
Top
I'm so proud of
Comedy
them. I'm so
podcast,
proud of them
yeah.
because I saw those guys also from the
Yes.
start. And they worked hard. They paid their dues.
Performing in
Sobra.
small bars before.
From building the stand-up comedy scene,
Now they're-
2010s pa.
Oo.
So parang to see them be the top. There's something about comedy shows.
I think there's always going to be something about comedy. Whether you're hosting a corporate gig, a wedding, a stand-up, a show, a podcast. You know why? Especially in the Philippines. And correct me if I'm wrong. I may be wrong, but maybe our viewers can also, or our listeners can say something about this. It's because the Philippines, ever since, we have been abused, man. We are an abused
the suffering.
country. We are biktima tayo ng corruption. Imagine if you commute to work, pare, yung kailangan mong ipagpila sa MRT para makasakay. Pag umulan, imagine mo yung pila na yun, paano ka makaka-MRT, basang-basa ka na, papasok ka pala ng office. So, I think why comedy is so big here, you have the Vic Sotos, you have whether you're a fan of or not, Willie Revillames, you have the Joses, the Wallis, name it, no? But comedy, Vice Gandas, why is comedy so big in the Philippines? Why is that such an important part of our culture? It's because ang dami natin pinagdadaanan. And whether you're a fan of slapstick comedy, intelligent comedy, stand-up comedy, that is your release from reality.
The escape, no?
And that's how I view it.
That's also your pleasure.
Exactly. And for us, as comedians, so to speak, I think that's where we get our fulfillment. We make somebody laugh at the end of the day. I remember that was the premise of Boys Night Out when people were asking, why do you do what you do? Sa akin, at the end of the day, it was still on radio at that time. If I can make one person laugh or smile, a person that's been having a bad day, pinagalitan ng teacher, pinagalitan ng boss, and napatawa ko sila at the end of the day, sa akin masaya na ako. Regardless of how much I was being paid.
Yeah.
So I think it could be that.
You have a, ano ba tawag doon? Comedian's passion, so to speak.
Heart.
Kasi when you get more pleasure out of the reaction of other people in effect to what you did, parang pagka may pleasure ka doon kesa doon sa bayad, I think you've found your
That's
Ang
your
tawag
calling.
you
ko
found your
dyan,
way.
Yeah.
Ang tawag ko dyan, and I always say this when I give talks to people is that, or to the kids, is that it's when the outcome is more important than the income.
Yep.
Ooh.
Lalim ko, no? Tangin, nakala nyo, wala akong
Sinabi ni Drake.
kwenta.
Sinabi ni
Ganda
Drake
na.
yan, man.
Tangin, nakala nyo, wala akong kwenta.
Bars, eh. Ganda
Diba?
ng
You do it for
copy.
the outcome, the income will follow. Boom.
But when you transitioned to following that calling now, radio, comedy, entertainment, did you get any criticism from family, loved
For
ones,
sure.
friends? Like, what did they say? Like, don't do that anymore. Parang ganun.
Unang sweldo ko sa radio, pare, 2004 was 6,000 pesos. Ano? Yung tama, 6,000 pesos a month. 7,500, sorry. 7,500 a month.
7,500 a month.
So, syempre, nanay
This
ko,
was 2004?
You were a student?
student.
Student job.
Third year college.
Okay.
But I was taking up legal management already.
Right,
I
yeah.
was really on the
Prepare ka
way.
na sa law.
So, ako talaga mag-law. So anyway, sabi ko ng mom ko, ano mangyayari dyan sa 7,500 a month?
Oh,
My God,
moms.
pare, wala tayo. Pero syempre, as being a mom also, she wants to support your passion. Nakikita niya masaya ako. Sige, do what you want, but that's not gonna take you anywhere. So, well, yeah, you get a lot of credit. That's not just the income, eh. I guess from family, it's proving to them. I'm not sure if you guys went through this. Proving to them that this is a career.
For sure.
It's not
Oh,
a
yeah.
hobby.
Even up to now.
Even up to now.
Yeah.
Hmm.
I think we're both first-time entertainers in our family, no? So parang for my
Same.
family, they think dapat a career should be like being a lawyer, doctor, banker.
Taka sa Nestle, o kaya sa Citibank.
Yun.
Bakit mo yung maging VP ka of something?
Yeah,
Ganun.
yan yung career daw.
Kasi nag-quit ako last year lang eh.
Okay.
To
Yeah.
pursue this full time.
Yeah.
And then, nung nalaman ng nanay ko na nag-quit ako, sabi ko, quit na ako kasi parang enough naman yung sinasahod ko monthly. Although walang security
Correct.
every month.
Correct.
Pero, nami-meet nga eh. Yung what I had been getting before sa day job. And then, parang,
the fulfillment. I
Yeah.
think
The
you can't beat that.
happiness.
You can't beat
Yeah.
that.
Irreplaceable
You
eh.
can't beat that.
It's good for your
pero,
soul.
to her, ang takeaway niya yata is,
Ngayon lang yan.
parang, okay, sige. Kailan ka babalik?
Ganun nga, ngayon lang yan.
So, parang-
yun din yun eh.
Sa
Sige,
utak ko,
ganyan.
okay, hindi niya pa gets na,
Hindi pa niya gets.
hindi na ako babalik.
Oh,
Pero gets ko rin eh.
It's not a phase,
It's
mom.
a generation thing.
yes.
Hindi naman uso dati to eh.
They can't imagine
Oh,
it.
they
eh.
can't imagine. Iba yung blueprint before compared to the blueprint now. Especially if you're the first creative from your family na magpo-pursue ng ganong career. So it's a strange thing to them.
Might be a security issue also kasi like you said, minention mo na kanina. Pare, in as much as it pays well, diba? But in a month, we can't say that the January will be the same sahod as February
Yes.
will be the same as March. You're gonna have your low months, your high months compared to a corporate job
Yes.
or a fixed job na pare, you perform, you don't perform, ito sweldo mo. Jan, Feb, March. Light work, heavy work, Jan, Feb, March. Pare, sakto yung sweldo mo, yan pa rin yun.
And some people are effective sa ganong type of setting.
Of course.
Diba? Because of the responsibilities they've had. So feeling ko sobrang sacrifice pag creative ka eh. Medyo curse na parang, tama ba? Ipapursue ko ba yung dreams ko? O harap ako sa laptop? So parang, sa akin, it's been an ongoing dilemma. Especially society din ngayon. Na parang, creatives, walang pera dyan. Doon ako nainis eh, na parang, wala ka pa nga doon. Sinasabihan ka na wala ka makukuha
wala
dyan. So, parang, yeah. Anyway, Sam, we've been talking for a while na. Sabi ko sa'yo kanina, meron kami tinatawag dito na unfiltered take.
Okay. Gusto mo
Unfiltered
unfiltered.
takes.
Sorry, kailangan niya gawin.
May bumper
may
ka
mga
pa.
soundbite.
Tang na gawin na gusto ko to. Go.
So, inuna ko na yung unfiltered takes kasi Sam YG yung guest natin.
Oh, let's
And
go hard.
ilang beses sila na-cancel ng MTRCB ba sa radyo?
KBP.
KBP
KBP. Kapisanan ng mga broadcasters ng Pilipinas. Sila yung parang governing body.
Sobrang
Pare,
Taglish no abbreviation.
yun talaga, pare. Kapisanan ng mga broadcasters ng Pilipinas.
Ang lalim ng first
oh.
letter eh.
Parang from the...
Ang running bill ko sa kanila, pare, 2014, 430,000 pesos. 2013.
Holy shit.
Like fines?
Magkano
Ganon?
kinikita ko? Sabi ko yun, pare, 2006. 2004? 6,500. Sa'yo, 5 a month. 2013.
Wait, pagka ganun, sino nagbabayad? Station.
At that time, Boys Night Out was, like you said, the peak of Boys Night Out. We couldn't even play a song because the commercials were super loaded.
Shit.
So, it came to a point na sabi ng commercials, of course, goes to the station, not to us. No?
Okay.
Tayo the Pod Network. Oh. Tapos, sino yung mayaman? Tayo ba? Hindi. Sina Alan, sina Philip, sina Ina. Pod Network.
We're just the clowns.
We're just the clowns here.
The dancing monkeys.
Oh. Anyway, I'm just saying. Siyempre, the money goes to magic. But the show was making so much money at that point that, puta, bayar natin yung fine.
Wow.
Kumbaga,
Do your shit.
do your shit, pare. hindi, wala man lang sa isang gas-gas yung 400,000 na yun. Ako pa lang yun.
Kaya pala, akala ko legal na maggago sa gabi. Kasi
Hindi
si Sam,
pa,
narinig ko, gago, tratado ka. Ginagano niya sila to. Sabi ko, pwede na ba yun? Parang last week.
Apparently, hindi pala.
Last week, hindi pa. So, nung nag-shit na sila, nagtatarantado na si Sam, sabi ko, gago, sarap ng radyo ngayon. Game na pala.
Game time.
Yun pala, nagbabayad
Let's go.
sila na fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
That's what a flex.
it got to the point that the show was making so much money that the fines were already parang bayaran na natin yan. Kasi it's making probably 100 times more than whatever the fine is.
Works out.
Fuck. Ngayon alam ko na magkano kinita nyo doon.
Sila.
Sila.
Para malinaw sila.
Sila. So as
let's-
a radio DJ, Hoves, feeling ko wala ka ng line na hindi na-cross.
I never said PI.
Talaga ba?
Huh.
Maybe I did. Yes, maybe I
Maybe
did.
like mumbled it.
Okay.
Wala akong line na hindi na-cross.
Kasi ito sa Unfiltered Takes, you can say anything.
Oh.
I mean, syempre, depende pa rin sa'yo yun. Any take, any pet peeve.
Okay.
So, meron ka bang mga takes dyan? Pwedeng isa lang. Pwedeng kung gusto mo rumatrat. You know, dami kang hinanakit.
Wala namang governing body sa podcasting, no?
Wala pa.
Wala.
That's why I enjoy it. That's why I enjoy it. Wala pa.
Wala rules pa.
Wala ka pang if you don't want to
Unfiltered
listen,
talaga.
unfiltered.
Tingnan mo lang lahat ng concept ng shows eh.
And there's a show for everything. Everything you ano.
love it.
Take dito
Any pet peeve?
Any.
Yeah, it could be small. It could be like about the world, the government.
Meron ako eh. Sumuha ko na.
Oh, sorry.
Tiny day-to-day thing.
I'm very vocal about this, pare. Yung pet peeve ko, siguro, I'll just go straight to what's happening with the government. No?
What is happening to the government?
We don't even know, dude.
It's been great so far.
We have got to the point where it's been all
Squeaky
dramatics. All dramatics.
Yeah.
People are being, yung pera talaga nawawala, na ninanakaw, pero ganito pa rin tayo. May nakulong ba? Wala. May nangyari ba? Wala. Dumaan tayo sa drama, 'di ba? Nakuha yung Rolls Royce ni Diskaya, 'di ba? Tsaka yung kanyang payong na whatever. Pero ganito pa rin. So pet peeve ko, parang bayad tayo ng bayad ng tax, pero wala naman talaga nangyayari.
Yeah.
Okay. Tsaka hindi lang bayad ng tax eh. Ang laki ng tax na.
Nalaki ang tax.
My gosh.
Tatlo. Entertainers tax, tatlo. Quarterly,
Yep.
VAT, and your income tax.
Yep.
Yearly. Well, may monthly.
So
Damn.
parang lagi kayong magkikita ng accountant mo. Tapos sabihin mo, ba't tumaas? Hindi ganun po talaga.
Oo.
So,
Feeling mo yumaman kasi tumaas eh. Parang, sir, medyo marami kayong kinita.
Pero,
Hindi.
ko ramdam eh.
Hindi mo ramdam eh.
I mean, it's tough to... Actually, it's more open to talk about it now. I don't think any public figure isn't talking about politics right now.
Because it's so bad.
Kasi, and apektado na lahat eh.
Yeah.
Dati meron pa mga, hindi, wag natin pag-usapan yan. Kaya pa, ngayon, unavoidable na siya. So parang, when will it, when will something happen? Something that has weight, yung ramdam mo. But yeah, ikaw, meron ka ba today?
unfiltered take?
Oo.
Oh, but well, going back lang to this about the government. I love how like so many people nga are complaining about the government now na parang that anti-terrorism bill or law parang doesn't know who to target na. Dati kasi if less people talk about it, you get worried na okay, if I speak out, I might get red tagged, I might get in danger.
Will you
And
get rid...
you know how people hate on you on, lalo na pag Facebook, pare, mainit si Facebook. Pag usapang politika, pucha, wild eh. Diba? Nagkakagulo sila eh. So, yeah, I guess maybe parang ikaw, tahimik ka na lang para sige, ayoko ng gulong yan. Pero at umabot sa point na wala ka na rin pakialam kahit awayin ko eh, diba? Parang pucha, sabihin ko gusto ko sabihin, bahala kayo.
And
Ito
parang
nga.
since we're all doing it, parang it became, we're not scared so much na.
Yeah.
Speaking out.
Eto hindi naman siya unfiltered take or whatsoever. Pero I think, kasi before tanggap ko pa yung mga loyalists sa politicians nila eh. Kunyari, okay, may Lenny supporters dyan. Merong BBM supporters dyan. May Duterte supporters dyan. Dati, gets ko pa yung pagiging loyalist nila. Ngayon, feeling ko kahit saan ka, dapat hindi ka na loyal sa politiko eh. I don't think that you should be loyal to one person. Kasi everyone can...
Wait, politics to, hindi relationship ha, para malinaw.
Politics.
Baka ma-hit na naman. Baka ito yung pinakinggan na nag-play sila. Ito agad eh. Politics topic namin ha.
Kung dito kayo napunta, ulit, sa simula kayo
Sa simula kayo
magsimula.
mag-start. Baka yung mga asawa namin nakikinig.
Be loyal to your wife.
Yun,
husband,
ganun.
Boyfriend, girlfriend. Ayan. Pero sa politics,
Wag na. Pili kayo, bumoto kayo ng tama. Pero to me, parang being loyal to someone, kasi you don't even know what they're gonna do in the future eh.
Sabi nga na, yung sungay lumalabas as they go along.
Oo. Pwedeng makorap yan sa loob. And based on history, ang daming nangyaring ganun. Diba?
didn't you say before na, I think it came from you na be loyal, instead of being loyal to a politician, be loyal to the country. Parang, I'm not
but
sure if you said that
how
before.
are you?
pero-
How is that even
Exactly.
possible? How?
Nice
What
to
does
hear.
that mean?
Nice to
Nice
hear,
to
but
hear.
Yeah.
realistically, okay, what like the whole rally? Okay, I went to the rally,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
then after that, what?
Yeah.
What?
Ano yung what does it mean even? Being loyal to the country? Like, how are you gonna be
We
loyal?
were born here,
Oh.
so of course we're loyal to the Philippines, but
Yeah.
it's very disappointing.
I guess instead of voting for personalities, vote for policies, for whatever is
Sayang naman
best.
dance number ni... baka mabaril tayo.
Oh.
That's
Pero, may unfiltered take ako na sobrang babaw lang.
okay.
Compared to what you guys said. Feeling ko dapat sa mga mall, may walking speed limit.
Ha?
So walking speed.
Pucha, ano
limit.
paki-explain, pare? Ano yan?
Kasi, ang
Explain. Gusto ko
daming
yan.
mababagal maglakad.
Kala ko dami ng bobo
Ah,
maglakad.
so dapat may minimum.
yun din.
Meron kasi bobo
That's,
maglakad.
that's another rule.
Parang, dude, bakit ka nagsistay sa isang spot? Lalo na pag ang daming tao, December, kailangan may speed. Kunyari, 5 kilometers per hour ka lang. Kunyari, Fashion Hall, Mega Mall, di ba? Pag naglalakad ka, 5 kilometers, bilisan mo ng konti. Pagka bumaba ka ng 4, papalabasin ka. Feeling ko dapat ganun.
Dapat titikitan.
Oo,
Utang bagay lang dapat
fine.
titikitan. Hindi, alam mo, mas dadagdagan ko yan. Pare, yung pet peeve mo na yan. Okay, mas hassle. Yung mabagal na maglakad, pare, 4 pa sila, sabay-sabay na
Harang,
speed.
man.
Sabay-sabay na speed. So
There's no
ikaw,
way to,
tapos ikaw nag-excuse me ka na, hindi ka nila marinig.
Kasalanan mo pa nga eh.
Kasalanan, ganun sila pa yung masama. Titingin pa siya parang, di ko naman mabilis maglakad.
Sa'yo tong mall?
Putsa, namamadali ako eh.
And I hate it when they're coming at you naman. They don't parang move or adjust their pathways. Parang you have to parang kind of squeeze between them.
Yan, mas masama ka tingin sa'yo pag ginano mo.
Yeah, parang who's gonna adjust?
Minsan ang malala pa, nasa yata, podium yata yun. Eh, di ba mga podium, like may
Siyempre.
stroller mga tao. Either
mga
for the,
aso nga, may
for,
stroller.
for the kids and for the dogs. May nagkwentuhan ba naman na dalawang nanay, nakaharang yung dalawang stroller nilang ganyan. Tapos wala kang dadaanan. Tapos sabi mo, excuse me, titingnan ka lang. So, feeling ko, tikita natin yung mga hindi marunong maglakad na maayos.
Sama na natin lahat, hindi lang maglakad. Mga nagsuswerving, mabagal maglakad, blocking the driveway. Lahat, pare, sama mo.
Tapos meron...
Doon na tayo eh, di ba?
Yung
Nakikita
biglaan
lahat
ano,
yan.
yung biglaan mag-left.
Oh, yun,
fuck.
di ba? Walking on the wrong lane.
Yes.
Elevator, blocking the elevator.
Escalator.
Feeling ko nga hindi natin alam yung etiquette na right ka lagi dapat eh. Kahit saan kang part ng mall, dapat nasa right ka. Anyway, yun lang naman ang pet peeve.
Ganda na, I like that.
Naapakan ko yung paanong nasa harap ko. Tapos kasalanan ko kasi nagte-text siyang gano'n.
Ay.
Tapos sabi ko, dude, ang dami natin dito.
Ang laki ng space.
Ang laki ng space.
Pero hindi eh.
Ako, I think I have a quick, babaw the
Aling pala ng
filter
akin,
take.
sorry. Go.
Ano,
Hindi,
okay lang.
yun nga yung gusto namin dito eh.
We're just bobo.
Okay,
Me and Leland, so we can't think of deeper takes. Ako naman, I think, my take is, any form of posting music, like sharing what you're listening to, is performative.
Woo!
You know how like you can share your song from Spotify into your IG stories?
Ito mga nagsastraba-straba nga. Sorry ha, pucha.
Isa ba yan? Isa ba yan?
Jeff, pare Jeff, papag-usapan mo, cut mo na lang ito mamaya. Pero pucha yung mga straba-straba.
Okay, let's go there too.
Hindi, sige, yung
But yeah.
performative songs muna.
Okay, bakit?
Ano to, Opalite ba to? Opalite? Mga ganun.
Magte-trending na naman
Kasi
tayo.
no matter what, like if you're there's no reason for you to be posting what you're listening to. Like if you want to share what you're listening to your friends, just message them, hey bro, or hey girl, listen to this new song I'm listening to. Blah, blah, blah.
Example, anong song niya? Pare, I'm sure may song kang kinainisan.
Okay,
Sabihin mo na, pare. Na TikTok hit yan. O, go. Go
Man
mo.
Child by Sabrina Carpenter Girl. Sobrang bago lang. Hindi luma at all. Try mo to. Parang you can just DM your friends. Pero for you to put it publicly like as a post or a story, I think you're trying to impress someone. Either
Naisip mo ba yan dahil
Teka.
tingin mo, tingin nila, ay, tingnan nyo, ganda na music taste ko, no? Ganun
parang
ba?
ganon. You're either
May flex
impressing,
na konti.
Flex.
either you're flexing to your music
Okay.
friends or you're flexing to someone you're courting, some crush mo na parang, oh look, I'm listening to good stuff that you might like also.
I'm gonna add to that.
Okay, right.
Diba, posting on stories. Ito yung stories sa 24 hours nakawala.
Yeah.
So, post mo dyan yung mga... Siyempre, bigla siya, meron kang magandang picture, malamang sisave mo yung pang main feed mo. Hindi mo si story. Ay, puta, magandang bala ko to pare. Alam mo, medyo dadami likes ko dito. Diba?
Banger,
Medyo,
ganun.
hindi ka sure dyan. Sige, story. Pang story. Meron kang kategorya, aminin natin. Lahat ng tao, check mo yung album mo sa phone mo. Meron ka dyan pang stories lang. Meron ka dyan pang main feed.
Yung
Diba?
pang dump lang.
Meron ka dyan. Tapos meron ka din dyan pang dump. Pang mga January dump.
Cryptic,
Diba?
ganun.
February recap. Mga bullshit na ganun. Meron din ako ganun. Hindi ko sinasabi. May ganun ako. I'm hating on myself. Okay? So,
Yeah, we all
anyway,
do it.
Naniniwala ba kayo na pag yung story pinost tapos after a few hours na-delete, the message has been sent at nakita na nung kailangan makita. Yung nakakita ng story, nakita na niya kaya pwede na i-delete.
Hindi ko alam yung game na yan.
Ay po!
Hindi ko-
Pare. Buti lang may asawa na ako. Change topic.
Sobrang hindi ko alam yung game na yan. Pero, mabilis magbago utak ko eh. Minsan pagka nag-share ako ng story, tapos naisip ko, parang hindi worth sharing yun. Parang,
Tapos konti lang yung views, ganun.
hindi, I don't even care about the views eh.
The traction.
What I care is the content. What I care
it
about...
was worth
Parang, was it worth it?
I don't even look that
Could
good
have
here.
kept it to myself.
Let me ask both of you, how much do you care about what you post? Let's say, you post something, let's say, pagka-post nun, do you look at it like after 5 minutes, check mo, okay, may pumake-up na ba? Ganun, pare, aminin natin, di ba? Pumake-up na ba ng konti to? Pucha, may nag-like ba? May nag-comment ba?
That's the hit I get actually. Like,
Correct.
I need to see the
Right. Or are you the type
dopamine.
that you just post and just let it be?
I'm the type of person who cares a lot.
Yeah.
Really?
Every post.
Okay.
Not because I want everything I post
fly.
To go
mag-fly.
viral.
No, that's not gonna happen. Minsan nga, before ko pa i-post, alam ko na konti lang to. But I still
Yeah, we
wanna
know
see
that.
it.
We know
But I
that.
still
Oh.
wanna see it.
Oh.
So, to me, kasi, parang, hindi ko naman sinasabing perfectionist ako. Hindi, sobrang layo ko sa pagiging perfectionist. Pero I care so much about how people
Perceive.
consume it.
So are you after the comments? Is it safe to say? Or do you care about the views, the comments, the shares? What do you look at first?
I care about how many people. Kasi when you care about it, either you like or you share.
Correct.
If you have something else to say, you
say.
comment.
Correct.
Diba? So it matters to me the positive and the negative. Kasi I don't want to. First of all, it's not my intention to offend. As a comedian who said a lot of shit on stage, the intention is not to offend. And I've come to a point na, shit, madaming, kasi free space ang online eh. Hindi, they don't pay to see that shit. Diba? Minsan nasa feed lang nila. So I care about the people who don't like me as a person or who don't even know me. Na, na-offend ko siya. Okay. Hindi ko na gagawin niya next time. So to me, I adjust. And it's not me
interesting.
being a sellout. I think it's me trying to be a better person for everyone.
Okay.
More of data
But
gathering.
I still want to do my shit.
It's nice of you.
Okay.
Oh.
Parang gathering insights, data to improve the product. Parang ganon.
But it's also, feeling ko to me, it's also, parang privilege din siya. Kasi hindi naman ganun karami rin ang following mo. So I can monitor pa. So, that's what I think.
You go.
I wish I don't care, but
You also care.
I feel like I'm addicted to the dopamine of like just getting likes and getting
which
engagement.
is normal. If you're watching this, that's normal. You don't feel abnormal if you're just addicted to that. You
Parang
know?
like when I wanna post, when I do finish a post, parang I wanna just let it go and focus on the next thing in my
Correct,
day.
correct.
But I just can't help it when I see my phone. I'm like,
So,
"Kumusta
takbo eh.
kaya?
Sino kaya
Sino
nag-comment?
kaya nag-comment?
Kumusta
Sino
kaya yung
nag-view?
post? Did it flop? Did it,
Okay.
Is it
Yung
meeting the normal life?
Yung nag-comment kaya, may check kaya sa username. Ganun siya.
Ayun. So parang, and then when I do see likes, oh my God, you get that split second of high. Parang, fuck, yes,
Diba?
I'm the king of
Puta,
the world.
medyo pumalo tong natin, content natin today, di ba?
But then you
How
want
about-
more.
Yeah. Then you want more.
Parang you're an addict.
Baaralin mo, ano ginawa kong tama dito?
Yeah.
Ano ginawa kong mali? Let me do, tingnan, baka ito yung mga type nilang comedy. So let me do another post like this. Yung next post mo, puta, nag-flop. Hindi, gago nangyayari kaya yun. Diba? Puta, inaral mo na, okay, nakakuha ka ng formula.
sige.
Puta, nakadalawa ka, tatlo kang good shit, diba? Biglang pangapat, puta, kala ko nakuha ka ng formula.
Exactly. Kaya, no offense. Okay, galing ako sa advertising agency. Kung saan inaaral lahat ng
Of
post.
course.
No
Overthinking
offense to
of
my colleagues before. Pero dude, huwag kayo masyadong mag-strategize kung anong gaganang post, anong hindi.
Yes.
Tama.
Like, just let it fly.
I'm actually at that stage of life, kaya ako tinanong.
Okay.
Kasi dati ganyan na ganyan ako. Ngayon, I'm trying to practice na, dude, when you post it, just let it fly. If it flies, it does. If it doesn't,
Delete it.
leave it. Because you know what? Chances are, by tonight or tomorrow, you're probably going to be posting something else.
Yeah.
And after you do that, you probably won't care
Yeah.
about the last post.
Yep.
So if you felt bad about the last 3 posts, and then the next post, bigla nag-fly, parang attention mo nandun na. Wala ka nang pakialam sa last 4 posts mo.
Pakay ko dun sa 4 likes.
Correct, di ba? May puta, may 1,000, may 500 million ako dito, di ba? So, it's just, but yeah, I think we have to look at it that way. Minsan kasi nakaka-suck in siya.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I call it the
man.
Steph Curry mentality. Steph Curry from 3-point range, 45% siya.
Oh.
And if you're not a sports person, talaga, best shooter in the league
Yun na
yan.
yun.
45%, di man lang 50%. Pero that's fucking high.
That's high.
So pag nagpo-post ako ng content, if na 50-50 siya, mataas na yun, pare. Mataas na yun. So to me, hindi siya lataas ng 50%. Yung chances of you having that kind of, little virality kahit konti lang.
Yeah, of course. And that's good. I mean, we've seen so many people na nag-fly in career because of that.
Yes.
Sometimes it takes one post. And to change your life, to change your... wala na yatang Oprah ngayon, di ba? Naalala mo when Oprah...
To be on Oprah.
Oh, dude.
Oprah
One time,
used-
big time yun.
Oh, di ba Oprah used to guess the kids who just had one viral post and then, all right, you're an Oprah.
Yeah. Si Ellen din.
Ellen used to do that also. I used to love that shit. Maybe we should do a talk show like that, no?
Yeah. Dude,
Guess the viral people.
Tapos si ano pare, yung gusto ng last hug si Girlie.
Sino to?
Hindi mo napanood yun. Pare.
Talk show to?
Hindi. Sa TikTok yata o sa sa Instagram, there's this girl, my wife just showed it to me last weekend. There was this girl, it happened during the holidays, no? Binigyan siya ng regalo ng boyfriend niya.
Okay.
No? Box. In-unbox niya yung gift. Inside the box, there were sheets of paper. No? And kilig na kilig si girl. Parang, ano to, ganyan, ganyan. She started going through the paper, the sheets of paper. And these are screenshots, printed screenshots of text messages. Apparently, si girl may boyfriend. Ang kabit, si guy.
Oh,
Yeah.
Diba? Sabi
Naalala ko na.
Tapos
si
nakabinibid.
gift giver.
Si ate girl,
Oh, shit.
Binivideohan, tapos iniwan ni guy yung camera, binivideohan niya.
Yeah.
Reaction ni Girlie.
Bro, Christmas to.
Christmas mismo.
Cold.
Cold, pare. Pero yung kabit si guy, nalaman niya siya pala yung kabit.
I didn't
Hindi
know.
pala siya yung main guy.
Okay.
Tapos, nabahanap niya yung messages with the original boyfriend, ganyan. So, nagwawala si girl. Sabi niya, ganyan, parang, anyway, it's funny is, before the girl left the little apartment, tinanong pa niya, can I get one last hug? Pwede pa hug one last
From
time.
the kabed?
Oh, na nahuli ka na, gusto mo pa ng last hug.
And it became content.
And it became content. It became
People
so
are-
viral. Ano to? 39 minutes?
Tapos na namin.
Palang o to go? O, bahala na daw tayo sa buhay natin. 39 minutes.
But, okay, before we wrap up, Sam, kailangan mo lang magtanong. So, we call this the walang edit question. This is a question from you to the next guest.
Okay.
of our show. So ano ang walang edit question ni Sam YG?
Kung meron kang taong gustong sampalin, ngayon, sino yung taong yun? At bakit? Explain mo kung bakit. Di pwedeng bigyan ka lang pangalan.
Dapat bakit?
Kailangan bakit? Explain mo.
Okay, kung meron ka kailangan suntukin.
Sampalin.
Sampalin.
Basta sakasaktan ko tong
Basta sa
taon.
mukha.
Gusto ko na talaga saktan to. Bad trip na ako dito.
Dapat
taon to.
pangalan.
Pwedeng pangalan. Pwedeng,
Title.
hindi kailangan na
Parang ganun.
noun. Hindi kailangan na na specific. Ano yung specific na noun?
Pronoun?
Hindi.
Proper?
Proper noun.
Proper noun.
Pwede namang,
Pwedeng hints, no?
pwedeng hints.
Parang my boss.
Baka kasi
Parang ganun.
mabaril tayo. Alam mo naman ngayon, di ba? Sa pasabugin building natin.
Wag
Wala
naman.
tayong podcast dito. Sayang naman.
Pero dahil nagtanong ka, kailangan mo sagutin yung tinanong ng previous guest namin. Na dapat pala ito yung nauna, no? Ang tanong
We're switching things
ng
up.
previous, napaka-original ng tanong ng previous guest natin na si Melo Aguilar.
Oh.
Ang tanong niya is, ano daw ba nauna, manok or itlog? And why? Kailangan mo sagutin yung why.
Okay.
Will this be the day we finally answered this question?
Kahit si God hirap dyan.
Okay. Ginawa talaga ni God yan para i-confuse tayo, no?
We're kaya ni Sam YG
Feeling ko talaga yung yung manok na una.
Because?
Oo. Kasi, yung manok, ano yan parang, naalala ko, nabasa ko yan ano siya yung sa Moses Ark.
Oh, okay.
Dinala ni Moses yan sa Ark nung bumaha.
Yung mga animals.
Oo, mga animals. So,
Wala rin flood control dati.
wala rin pod control, di ba?
Puro ghost doon eh.
So, wala naman sinabi na si Moses may dalang itlog. Di ba? Animals ang sinabi.
I think we got
my
it. I think we got it.
Oh,
I think
diba?
we got
If you
it.
believe in the Bible, this is the answer.
If you believe in the Bible. Okay.
Ay puta, sorry, Noah pala. Noah's Ark. Hindi
ano
na
sabi
Moses,
mo?
Moses pala. Moses iba yun. Siya yung may
Moses.
Both
Same.
have beards.
Yeah.
It's the
Potato,
same
potato.
thing.
Magkano naman, homies siya, homies.
Both bearded Jewish people.
Oh.
Si Noah may may movie eh. Noah. Si
Steve Carell, yung ano?
Hindi, gagi.
Si Evan Almighty.
Evan Almighty yun eh. Si
Puta,
si Gladiator. Pangalan?
But about yung arc mismo?
Russell Crowe?
Russell Crowe.
Yeah.
Talaga ba?
Noah.
It's called Noah.
Ganda,
Alright.
ganda. Anyway. Sam, salamat bro.
Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Thank you,
much.
Papi. Salamat.
I mean, sana may invite ka namin ulit.
Of course,
in
of
the
course.
future.
Pakalat-kalat na ako dito.
Big fan.
Thank you, brother.
fan.
Salamat.
Letseng pag-ibig to, Sam YG.
Walang edit. So yung mga mura kailangan palabas dito.
Wala kaming in-edit talaga.
Okay, roll lang to. Roll.
Book Sam for your first wedding, your second wedding,
And
your
even
third
annulment. May
wedding.
package ako, pare.
May package.
Wedding, tapos kung ma-annul ka, 50% up na lang yung annulment party.
Ayun.
Oo. At tawag dito, may gusto ko ba sabihin before we...
No, just Happy New Year to everyone. Thank you for having me, you guys. And mabuhay tayo lahat. Relax lang tayo. I think this year, let's focus on ourselves. If there's something that, that you've been eyeing, something you wanted to do, maybe it's time you focus on yourself and do that thing that you've always wanted to do, you've always been dreaming of. Spend some time, whether you're working in a corporate world as a talent like us or whatnot, spend some time this year, every week, every day, to start reaching or getting that goal that you've always wanted to do.
Ganda.
Ganda. Salamat. At dahil dyan, Jad, wala nang edit. Post na natin yan, Gab.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.